No.
No.
No, not really. No. What is it?
To tell about how I don't know.
No.
Is it? Is it Men's Day every day?
Oh, does that even exist?
Of course, I'm brand manager. I know it's International Men's Day on 19th November, and I also know all the questions that will follow up after this. So let's begin.
CT men are men who I look up to every single day, and not only that, they are men who make me believe that good men still exist in this generation.
Well, the professionalism, collaborative spirit, and the respect that they share towards everyone.
Very reliable and supportive and a good team players.
Quite sportive, and they'll help you take initiative whenever and take the lead whenever it's required.
I like how they treat me like same ages, like they don't feel like I'm too young to talk to them or something.
How respectful and collaborative they are, I would say.
They are very respectful with helping nature, always there to help.
The respect and support they show colleagues.
Their appreciation, respect, I can say teamwork.
Kind. Almost every man in the office is very kind and gentle. I've never felt unsafe around them, and that's a quality I genuinely admire.
Probably the fact that everybody is really funny and has a good sense of humor, and without them, I think the workspace would be really different.
I'm a video editor, and if you all know that we rarely have video editor girls. So me being in a team where it's all men, they've never made me feel like I'm a woman in a team. They've never made me feel like there's a gender difference. It's always the same. And in fact, they even give me queen treatment because I'm spoiled because I'm the only girl. But yeah, like that's one stereotype, which I would like to talk about.
Mansplaining and making sarcastic comments while helping, I don't find that here at CT.
That they respect my point of view. They don't feel like, okay, it's from you, I don't care.
The men over here are very good. They interact positively with everyone over here.
I think men shy away from compliments generally, but here in the office, quite a few dig for compliments, more often than not.
The inclusivity in making decisions is what I have heard doesn't happen very often in other workspaces, but here it doesn't apply.
और क्या बोलते हैं वेदी लोग?
The slang, I can say, okay, macha.
It's a phrase like, what's up, bruh, what's up, Russ?
Picked it up from Nags. He keeps saying that. Yeah.
People, by people, hi people.
Come on, bro.
Sanjeev, he's like, yeah, Nimmi.
Macha, da, chill madi.
Chill Mari.
Come, let's take a smoke. I think Sean.
Why?
Because he's the ultimate package of entertainment.
Sean would really make it till the finals.
Sumita.
I think Sumitabh.
For the drama of it, I think Sumita will survive any reality show.
Sumitabh, because he is very funny and entertaining.
So I think Amir because he can do amazing in Takeshi's Castle.
I guess Harsha because he is a bit interactive. He interacts with everyone, even if it is a fresher or something.
Maybe Bisu would be really good for India's Got Talent because I think he's really talented.
Gokul. I feel Gokul and Sanjeev.
Because he's very spontaneous, very fun and unfiltered.
Gokul and Sanjeev just for fun to see what they do in Khatro Ke Khiladi. Bisu.
Why? You have to give a reason for everything.
Because I want to play guitar nicely.
Amir.
Because he owns a 16 Pro.
I want to switch roles with Tony for one day, only for one day, because I want to know that how he is dealing with the client.
Mayank.
just one day to see what it feels like to be in his shoes, managing so many people and managing so much chaos that goes around.
Idris, because he is the owner of the company.
I know that Idris wouldn't be very keen on being the brand manager, but I would really want to be the CEO and see what it's like to be on the top.
Vara, because he support the colleagues.
Yeah, Sumita, because I feel like I'll get a more free, or I can play a Uno whenever I want, and I can also manage the work along with the like playtime or something. So it would be Sumita.
Kumar, maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. Skip.
No, not Smitabh. Then it will be like I'm trying to get a promotion here. No.
They are very friendly towards me. They give the respect sometimes, but they are so sweet and they respect me.
I would switch role with Megha. Oh, sorry, why would I say Megha? I was in HR, I would say Sumita.
No, he's a manager. Cut that.